Hi guys, welcome to Sajis SFDC and this is Manoj. Agenda of this video is to learn about data types in Salesforce which we missed in our old videos. Here in this video we are going to see about text area, text area long. Let's go. Text data type. It is a rectangular box where we can enter alphanumeric, special character, whatever we like. But it has limitation of only single line can be entered here. Click next. It will ask for the name and the length it is allowed. Maximum of we can enter 255 characters. You can give default value for the text box and click next and save to create a text box. Now I will show you how it will be visible in a data entry page. This is a text box where you can enter alphanumeric or special characters, whatever you like. Click save to save it. I will show you how it will be visible in record page. It is a sample value. If you want to edit it, click the pencil button and you can edit and save it. Now, text area data type. It is also a rectangular box to store alphanumeric values just like text box. But length is the difference and it will allow more than a single line. Click next. Give some meaningful name and description and default value. In text box, maximum of you can enter 32 KB values. It means that 32,000 characters can be fed in this text area. Let me show how it will be visible in data entry page. You can enter some value and go to the new line and others enter some other value and you can save it. Let me show how it will be visible in the record page. This is a sample value which I have entered. Now next data type, text area long. It is similar to text area but you can store more number of values than text area. It means, as I said earlier, text area allows only 32 KBs of size but text area long allow 128 KBs of data. It means that 1,31,000 characters can be fed in text area long. That is the difference. The default value will be 32,000, that is 38 to KB. If you want, you can give the maximum value and create it. If you create it with 32,768, it is nothing but text area. It's not a text area long. The length is the only difference between text area and text area long. Otherwise, look-wise it is same. In this video we seen 3 data types. We will see other data types in our next video. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.